got a question the other day about vacuum lines, specifically for turbo. So we're going to go over this nice and slow and describe what we're looking at here. We're going to start with the right side of the engine, with the transmission side. This line right here goes straight to your brake booster. Nothing else connects to it. Just this line straight to the brake booster. And that does it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm just kidding. We go to the left side of the engine. This line right here that connects to this nipple can either go to your fuel pressure regulator or your diverter valve or blow-off valve. I have this one specifically hooked up to my blow-off valve, and this bottom one connects straight to the fuel pressure regulator, and then this T goes to my boost gauge. But if you don't have a boost gauge, it just goes straight from your fuel pressure regulator straight to the bottom nipple. So there's two. One for the blow-off valve or diverter valve, one for the fuel pressure regulator. Now there are two vacuum lines on your throttle body that were originally there. There's this big one down here, which is usually on top, but you have to flip these throttle bodies around. There's one down here on the bottom. It's a bigger one. You block that one off. And then, if I can find it, there's one right next to it somewhere. And anyway, there should be another one, and it's smaller, like these ones. It's a small one. You just leave that one open. Atmospheric. Because if you try and plug it, then the car just dies. And if you're looking for turbo lines here, should be able to go from your turbo right there. So that goes into the cold side of the turbo. Comes around into this T. God damn it. Goes into a little T right there. And off of that T, it goes into the wastegate. And then from the top of the T, it goes into this boost controller. And there's a fucking chicken. There's two chickens. They're not even mine. I feel like if I try and touch it, it'll attack me. Hello, chicken. Can I touch you? Oh my God, he's trying to square up with me now. Come here. Come here. I'm tempting fate right now. That's a goddamn rooster. That's a chicken. Don't want to fight a chicken. Come here. Come here, chicken. Yep. I really don't want to fight a rooster. So, it's going to end it right there. If you guys need help with vacuum lines on something that's not boosted, comment down below, and we'll get you all squared away. Oh my God, it's a goddamn velociraptor.
Lou? This one's for you.
I'm naming that fucking rooster Blue. It's his new name.